Toyota has cemented itself as an industry leader when it comes to EV technology, with hybrid versions of popular models such as Camry, Corolla, RAV4 and Prius. However, these vehicles also require regular maintenance, and part of that is replacing the hybrid battery air filter. Compared to a conventionally fueled vehicle, hybrid vehicles have an additional air filter element called the high voltage battery cooler filter, which is mounted upstream of the traction battery cooling fan. Dust and contaminants can restrict or block the inlet for the air cooling system, leading to the battery running over the specification temperature, which in turn negatively affects the efficiency, reliability and longevity of the battery. Servicing these filters is a relatively simple job. On Toyota models, the hybrid battery air filter is commonly found behind a service cover beneath the rear seat trim. This cover can be removed to access the hybrid battery air filter, and from there, the filter can be inspected and replaced. When it comes time to replace your vehicle's hybrid battery air filter, Ryco offers a wide range of direct replacement filters to suit the Toyota hybrid range of Camry, RAV4, Corolla and Prius. For more information on the range of Ryco hybrid air filters for your vehicle, visit www.rycofilters.com.au. And remember, when your hybrid vehicle needs superior protection, be Ryco ready.